Hey guys, here we have a simple center limit theorem application, and what we got here, we get the mean, which is equal to 5, well it's saying 5 milliliters, the standard deviation, population standard deviation, which is 0.2, and of course we get the n, which is the sample size 25. All right, so now the question is, we want to find the average volume of the sample would be greater than 5.1 milliliter, right? So now you see here there is an average. They are not looking for just the mean, all right? So the average mean or the average volume, right? So now how can I write this equation? It should be greater than 5.1. so this one is going to be probability of x bar greater than 5.1. Why am I using the x bar? Since I am using the sample, this is going to give you therefore the x bar, right? Now what you need to know about this is that your standardized formula would be equals to x bar minus the mean divided by sigma divided by radical n, right? So this is the formula we are looking for. All right, so how can I proceed with this? It's pretty straightforward. So what you're gonna do is a probability, leave a space, greater than 5.1, and then you're gonna standardize both sides, right? So on the left hand side you're gonna write down the formula minus the mean divided by sigma divided by radical n. On the right hand side you're gonna apply the numerical values, so 5.1 minus the mean, which is 5, so this is the mean, divided by sigma, which is 0.2, and divided by radical n, which is radical 25. Now for the calculator you might want to use parentheses here and there, right? So now this is going to be equals, since x bar minus the mean divided by sigma over radical n is equal to z, so I'm going to substitute all this expression by z. So this is going to be the probability of z greater, and on the other hand I'm going to plug this expression into the calculator to figure out what the value, right? Okay, so let's start with the parentheses. 5.1 minus 5, close the parentheses, and divided by, open the parentheses, and 0.2 divided by square root second and square, and that's 25, right? Exit the radical sign and close the parentheses and enter. Okay, so I get 2.5. Perfect. So the probability I'm looking for is z greater than 2.5. Before going ahead and looking into the table, you might want to graph it. So this always is going to give you two choices. So 0 over here, the 2.5 is over here, right? And we don't know whether it's a big tail or small tail until you graph it. So z greater than 2.5, greater is gonna go to the right side, so I am looking for this tail over here, right, which is a small tail. Then I'm gonna go to this table, and the small tail part I'm gonna look for 2.5. Now do you notice here the values are negative? It doesn't matter. If you are in the small tail, it's okay. So 2.5 is gonna be right here, and 0, right? So 2.50, and this is the number you are looking for, right? So 0.0062, right? So this area, it should be 0.0062, and therefore that is your answer as well, all right? And that's all.